So my name is Björn Krückans. I'm with Vorwerk since 2016, being the process manager of production and the team lead for all digitalization stuff in our two factories that we are running in Germany and in France. In these two plants we are running also the Siemens IT systems like the MES system, Inside Hub and so on. And as Vorwerk Elektrowerke, we especially have the two businesses for Kobold devices, so cleaning, and cooking devices, for example, the Thermomix. Digital transformation, especially for Vorwerk, is a very important topic because in our DNA we like to work with data. We like to analyze processes and we like to have continuous improvement. Digital transformation helps us in this case to achieve this transparency, to calculate KPIs and to get an overview of all the processes we have. 5 years ago we started really to get rid of silo systems, so really to have a fundamental baseline with the MES system, and then during the last years we also introduced the intelligence, Inside Hub, edge devices and also Mendix. So from the machines we had the connectivity layer and then Op Center execution together with Op Center scheduling being linked to Teamcenter and SAP. So that really gave us a good overview about the order data we can achieve, we can get from the production. What we started a few years ago is also to get the additional IoT data. So to this order related data we also added IoT data like the Inside Hub. That helps us really to get these two data streams, order related and IoT related data together in the Inside Hub. And we strongly achieved there an improvement in the output pieces per hour. That is our target KPI on the shop floor. So that is a key KPI that we improved sufficiently. With the additional integration of Inside Hub, that was when we started silo, not really integrated to intelligence, so that grew now together. So that was something that we liked in the collaboration, that we had also direct contact with your product owners to be in a dialogue. Introducing AI applications in the area of quality prediction. That is currently something that we are evaluating together with the AI team from Siemens to get easier access to data so that you can formulate your questions, for example in the maintenance area, where you can ask an AI bot, how did we redo the repair at the machine, and so that he can really give a quick response what, for example, the maintenance people or the maintenance workers can directly do, and in order to speed up the process. So that is one use case, but also we have a lot of other ideas. When we started with the digitalization, we had a very heterogeneous brownfield machinery, and it was quite a challenge for us to upgrade this to a modern OPC UA standard so that we can connect to all the machines, integrate new processes and also get rid of the silo systems. But then with a good team, strong support from the management, we achieved this and also implemented it successfully in Germany and in France. In our journey we learned a lot about digitalization, about standardization, and my advice to other companies would be to get knowledge, also to share knowledge, and then also to choose the right partner being really ready for this whole digitalization journey.